Okay, children, today we will discuss 13.3 exercise. Okay, children, textbook, 9th class, surface areas and volumes. Today we are going to discuss about the cones, children. Cone. Okay, children. So what is a cone means, children? Cone will be like this, and like this. Okay, children. All of you see here, children. Cone, children. This surface is called CSA. This surface. Suppose you are eating ice cream. You will hold no, children. That is CSA. See children, this is CSA. CSA means curved surface area. This is CSA children. And the CSA of cone formula is pi r l. CSA of cone is pi r l. Then you will get doubt, sir, what is L? L means slant height. What is slant height? I will tell you, you don't worry children. And children, see here, this is height. This is radius. And this is slant height. Again, I am saying, if you draw a triangle, right angle triangle, children, what is this I told? Height. What is this I told? Radius. This is your slanting. This is your slanting. Because it is slanting, no children. This is straight, normal height. This is slanting, that's why it's called slant height. Okay, children, this is slant height. So, can anyone say what is the formula for slant height? Can anyone say what is the formula for slant height? Can anyone say? Can
Sir,
anyone say?
h square plus r square is equal to L
Pythagoras
square, sir.
theorem.
L square is equal to R square plus H square. Which theorem is this, children?
Pythagoras theorem, sir.
Pythagoras
Pythagoras
theorem.
theorem. Okay, nowadays your audio is not good. Pythagoras theorem, children. Okay, so this is Pythagoras theorem, and L square is equal to H square plus R square, and CSA of cone is pi r l, and TSA. If someone asks you TSA means total surface area. What will come, children? CSA will come plus base also will come. This base. Okay, children. So TSA means CSA will come, and this also, this covering. If this is closed, imagine this is closed. Imagine this is closed. This area plus this area, CSA plus base. What is CSA, children? What is the formula for CSA? I told
Pi RL.
pi r l. CSA formula is pi r l.
Pi r l.
Okay, children, pi r l. And what is the area of circle formula? Area of the circle.
Pi
Area
r
of the
square.
pi r
Pi
square.
R.
So pi r l plus pi r square is pi r into l plus r. That is TSA of cone. This is CSA of cone. This is TSA of cone, children. And the volume of the cone. Volume means inside. How much ice cream will come? That is volume. Inside space. Inside the cone, ice cream you put, no children. Inside it, cone, how much ice cream? That space. How much space is present? That is called volume. And the volume of the cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. You may be asking how you got this formula, sir. Simple, I will check, children. If you understood, okay. If you didn't understand, leave it. See, children, do you remember yesterday I was telling cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Seriously, you see, children, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Please mute your audio, Nana, someone. If suppose one cone I cut here is one cone is there, here is one cone is there, here is one cone is there. So each part is, this is one third, this is one third, this is the third. So volume of the cone is one third of cylinder. One third, see children, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cone is one third of the cylinder, 1 by 3 pi r square h. So children, all of you understood, I think this is CSA. This plus this is TSA, and inside this space is 1. So CSA formula, what is the CSA formula, children? Pi RL. What is TSA formula, children? Pi R into L plus R. What is the volume formula, children? 1 by 3 pi R square H.
1 by 3 pi r square h.
What is slant height, children? R square plus H square. These are the formulas you should remember. And today class we will discuss all these formulas on the children. I will be telling the formulas, children. You have to tell me the substitutions. That's all. Calculation, formula, sum expression, everything I will do. You just randomly I will call names. Whomever I call, you should tell. Get ready, children. So this is today's sums, children. We are going to discuss exclusively about cone, children. All the formulas once I'm writing here. The CSA of the cone is pi r l. TSA of the cone is pi l into pi r into l plus r. And slant height of the cone is r square plus h square. Volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, children, if you want to take help, even then I will also do this one. First question, children. First question. First question. So first question, children, see here. I will explain the question. The diameter of the base of the cone is, children, this is a cone. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10.5 centimeters. Diameter of the base of the cone is 10. And the slant height, this is slant height, children. Slant height is 10 centimeters. This is normal height, children. This is slant height. This is normal height. This is slant height. 10 centimeters. Find the CSA. Who will tell the first one?
Sir, can I?
Yeah, Shenmukh, very good now. Super, tell. CSA.
First we'll convert diameter into radius, sir.
So radius will be how much, Amma? 10.5 by 2.
5.25.
No need. 10 by 10.5 by 2 you write. Okay. Tell me the formula for CSA, Nana. CSA of the cone.
22 by 7
Formula.
pi RL.
Compulsory, children. All of you should write formula. Okay. And tell them 22 by 7.
22 by 7 into 10.5 by 2 into 10.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Nana. So 7 ones are 7 fives are 2 11s are 1.5 into 10 is 15. 15 11 anyone?
160.
Can you tell the statement, Nana? Shenmukh, 165 centimeters square is the
CSA of the cone.
very good CSA of cone. Very good. See Shenmukh, Nana, how nicely is saying. See children, this is first sum. Second sum. Second sum. Find the TSA of the cone. He's asking children. TSA of the cone means you know this CSA plus this children. TSA of the cone is asking. Please mute your audience, children, till I explain the sum. Slant height is 21 meters. Slant height is 21 meters, and the diameter of the base is 24 meters. Diameter of the base is 24 meters. We have to find TSA. TSA is pi L into pi R into L plus R. Who will tell children?
Sir, can I
Sir, can I
say?
say? Sir, can I say?
Neeraj.
Sir, can I
Sir,
say?
Vivek.
Sir,
Yeah.
Vikram.
Neeraj, you tell them first.
Shall I say Neeraj?
Neeraj, tell them. Tell them, Neeraj.
Pi 22 by 7.
Radius.
This is equal to 12.
Fast, tell fast.
4 by 2, that is equal to 12. Slant height 21.
Tell fast.
12.
Yeah. Plus 2. Okay.
22 by 7.
Okay, Shiva. So this is somewhere around
33. 20 by 7 is equal to
Yeah.
3.14 into 1 to into 33
Can anyone tell me the value?
equal to
Value. Calculation. Calculator, anyone? 3.14. 22 by 7 is 3.14. Can anyone tell me the value?
243.44.
Thank you, Nana. 243.44. Neeraj, tell me the statement. Meter square is
TSA is equal to 243 of TSA of the cone is equal to 243.44.
Thank you.
Sir,
children,
it is 1243, sir.
how Nana?
It is 1243.44.
Okay, 124. Thank you. So children, it is 1243.44 meters square. All of you remember children, 22 by 7 value we can take 3.14 children. 22 by 7 we can take 3.14. 22 by 7 we can take 3.14, or else you have to multiply all these things, then also divide with 7. 22 by 7 is 3.14. It's up to you children. So answer is 1243.44 meters square is the TSA of the cone. Okay children, next third sum. Please see here all of the third sum.
Sir, can I say next sum?
Who will tell? Who will tell?
Sir, Vikram.
Okay, ready, Vikram. Just listen first. Mute your audio. CSA of the cone is 308. Just listen to the sum, then you can tell. CSA of the cone is 308 centimeters square. And the slant height is 14 centimeters. Slant height is 14 centimeters. Question is, Find the radius and TSA. We have to find the radius and also you have to find out TSA. Okay, Vikram, tell me CSA formula.
Yes, sir. Sir, pi RL.
Okay, CSA is equal to pi
CSA
RL.
equal to pi RL.
Okay,
308 equal to 22 by 7 into R into 14.
7
7
2s
1
are.
7 2s
So 22 and 2 will go down. So radius is equal to
44.
308
308
by.
equal to 44 by 44.
Okay,
So we can write directly 44.
you can simplify. No. 2 1s are 2 5s are 2 4s
Okay,
are.
sir.
7, sir.
Radius is 7.
Radius
Now
is 7, sir.
radius is 7. After finding radius, you have to find TSA. Can you tell me how to find TSA?
We have to find the TSA, sir.
TSA
Pi
formula?
R into L plus R.
Pi r into L plus R. So 22 by 7
Yes, sir.
into radius is how
22
much?
by 7 into, so we got, so 7. 7 cancel. 22 into 21.
Four 62 centimeters square.
So,
So 20.
sir, radius is 7 centimeters and the TSA of the cone is 462 centimeters
Yeah,
square.
children. Nana, mute your audio. Nana. Thank you so much. Next, whomever I asked, you have to say, children. Next, yes. Yeah, children. Next, Tekshita, get ready now. Tekshita, get ready. A conical tent is 10 meters height. A conical tent is there. This is 10 meters is the height. 10 meters is the height, not slant height, just height. Okay, and radius is 24. And radius is 24. And radius is 24. Find slant height. You have to find out slant height. Okay, slant height formula you check now. Okay, and also you have to find cost of canvas required to make the tent. 1 meter square is 70 rupees. Yeah, now tell how to find the slant height. Take it up. How to find slant height formula?
R square plus H square.
L square is called R square plus H square.
24 square plus 10 square.
Okay. Okay.
24 square is equal to 76.
100.
Okay. 676. Wait, Nana. Neeraj. L square is equal to 26 square.
6 square.
This gone. Slant height is how much, Amma?
26 centimeters.
No. Mute your audio. Okay. Now listen, children. To make the tent, you need CSA na TSA na. Anyone? Who will tell?
CSA.
CSA.
So CSA.
CSA.
CSA. To make the tent, you need CSA. No one will put tent here, children. What they will put here? Anyone?
Carpet.
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 Shabash. Carpet. No one will put tent on the ground. Tent is very thin cloth. So tent is here. They will put down. They will put carpet because many people will be coming and stamping on that. So down one is carpet. Upper one is the tent. The cost of making tent means you have to find CSA. So how to find CSA? Kruti, can you tell how to find CSA? CSA
Yes,
formula. CSA formula.
So can I say?
Wait, Nana, when I'm asking.
R into
Yeah. 22 by 7. Radius how much, Amma? 24. Slant height is 26. So can anyone help me? 3.14 into 24 into 26. Can anyone calculator? Anyone calculator?
1959.
Sir, 1959.36. 1959.36.
1959.36 centimeters square. Now cost. How to find cost? 1 meter square. Okay, this is meters. 1 meter square is 70 rupees. So 1959.36 meter square is how much rupees? 1959.36 into 70. Can anyone do it? Tell me. Cost.
1,37,155.
1,37,155 rupees.
Point two, sir.
1,37,155 rupees is cost of making tent. Children, is it correct? Once all of you check, is it correct? 1959.36 into 70, is it correct? 137,155.
0.2.
Point
Note it
two,
down.
sir.
Point. Okay, point 2 is okay. This is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is.
So children, the cost of making this tent is 1,37,155. Please someone check at the back. This answer is correct. I feel it's wrong. That much answer won't come. Someone please check at the back.
Come, sir. 2000
Correct. Sir.
into 70 is equal to 140.
Sir, sir, it is
1,40,000, sir.
13,715, sir. Point 1.5.
No.
375.5.
Back what they have given back. Answers.
Correct from the sir. This one will give back.
Okay, children. Thank you so much. So next sum. Next time I'll explain. Whomever I call, they should only say. Remaining students, please. If I add any question only calculator, you have to say. The length of tarpaulin is 3 meters wide. Children, there is a cloth. There is a cloth which is 3 meters wide. This is length. There is a cloth which is 3 meters wide and is required to make a conical. This is converted into cone. This is converted into cone. This cloth is converted, is bent like this, they bent in the form of cone. Okay, of height 8 meters. The height of this cone is, children, 8 meters. The height of this cone is 8 meters. Okay, children, the height of the cone is 8 meters, and the base radius is 6 meters. Base radius is 6 meters. Okay, children, assume that the extra length material that is required for the stitching the margins and wastage is 20 centimeters. Wastage is 20 centimeters. Question is, what length? Length is how much? Length is how much? So children, I am saying, listen carefully. Listen carefully. This is a paper. This is a paper. Try to understand, children. Here is the paper. Okay. That paper is bent in the form of cone. Try to understand, children. That paper only, they are bending in the form of cone. Wait, children, I will show you. I will show you a live example. Children, that is a paper. Okay, the paper is like this. All of you see, children. Paper is like this. Okay, children, this is a paper. This is a paper. This paper is bent in the form of cone. How they will bend, children? Like this. They'll bend in the form of cone. Or cloth, children, bigger cloth, they will bend in the form of cone like this, children. Like this, they will bend in the form of cone. Now, whatever area is this, same CSA this will have. Yes or no? Whatever area
Yes, sir.
this, same
Yes,
CSA
sir.
this will have. Yes or no? Say yes or no. Enough.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, children. Okay. So what I want to say is, whatever area this cloth will have, same CSA this will have. Okay. So I will write area of cloth is equal to CSA of cone. What is area of rectangle, anyone?
L into B.
L into.
What is
L into
CSA
B,
of
sir.
cone? CSA
Pi
of
RL.
cone?
Pi RL.
Pi RL.
Pi RL.
Yeah, enough, children. Rama, can you tell me a substitution, Rama? Only substitution.
Yes, sir.
L into
3.
is equal to
22 by 7 into 6 into sorry, sir.
mute your audio, no, mute your audio. So much disturbance is there. Mute your audio. So children, how do you find L? L square is equal to h square plus r square. L square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. L square is equal to 64 plus 36. L square is equal to 100. L square is equal to 10 square. Slant height is 10 centimeter. I will put 10. Okay, children, I will put 10. Now all of you see, children. L into 3 is equal to 22 by 7. I will take it as 3.14 into 6 into 10. See how much easier big calculation you see, children. This 3 will go down. So L is equal to 3.14 into 6 by 3 into 10. How much, children? 3 2s are 6. 6.28. 6.28 into 10 is how much? 6.28 into 10 is how much?
62.8.
62.8.
6.28.
62.
62.8 centimeters. Okay, children. Sorry. It is centimeters or meters? 62.8 meters. Children, 62.8 meters of the cloth is needed to make this tent. Again, I am saying 62.8 meters of the cloth is needed to make this tent. But this wastage also we should add, children, because in cutting the margins, that this some extras that this we will cut. Can anyone say how to convert centimeters to meters?
Divided by 100
Divided
is
by
equal to 0.2.
0.2, so 63
So
meters.
total slant height is equal to 63 meters.
63 meters length of cloth is needed to make the tent. Children, this is original, this is wastage. This is original, this is wastage. Original plus wastage you have to take, children. So that will come out to be 63 meters.
Sir, wastage is only in length, sir.
What, Nana? What, Nana?
The wastage is only in length, sir.
Wastage, no, in making the entire thing.
So we should calculate. We should add it to area, right?
No, to the length, because see here, I told you, no, this is the length. Okay, this is the length. When I'm making like this, some extras which are there up here, all these things will go from the length. So we should add to the length only. Then only that length plus this breadth will give the area.
Okay, sir.
So children, very important section. Please mute your audio. So children, this is the length plus wastage. 63 meters of length of cloth is needed to make this tent. If you don't write the statement, 2 marks stuck in exam. Mute your audience, children, please mute your audience. 63 meters of length of cloth is needed to make this comb. 63 meters of length of cloth is needed to make this comb. That's it, children. Next sum. Next sum, children. Sixth sum of the sequence. The slant height and inner diameter of the cone, children, see here, children. So this is a cone. Okay, children. This is the slant height, L. Okay. The slant height and diameter is, children, diameter is this one. Diameter is 14 meters. Slant height is 25 meters. Find the cost of whitewashing with CSA at the rate of 210 rupees per 100 meters square. This is the question.
So can I?
Now, whitewashing we will do it for CSN or TSN. Whitewashing.
CSA.
CSA.
Yeah, whitewashing we do for CSA. Whitewashing we do for CSA. Okay. So Sarayu, can you please tell me CSA?
Yes, sir. CSA is equals to pi RL
Okay.
22 by 7 into 14 by 2, which is 7 into 25.
Okay.
7 cancel.
Okay.
22.
550 meters square is CSA. Now cost of painting, how do you find out cost of painting? CSA into 210. No. Cost, see here. 100 meters square is 210 rupees. 100 meters square is 210 rupees. They have given. 550 meters square is how much? Cross multiplication. Sorry, you tell cross multiplication.
210 into 100 into x is equals to 210 into 550.
Okay.
X is equals to 210 into 550 by 100.
Okay.
0 cancels.
So, okay. How much is 5 to the 10?
1155.
1185, sir.
Is cost of whitewashing the cone. Okay. See, children, magnitude, units, statement, everything I want. Magnitude, value, units I want, and statement I want, figure I want, labeling of the figure I want. Just if you draw, I will not accept. Formula you should compulsory show, solvation you should show, and this figure also draw with pencil and scale. If you draw with pen, I will not accept. Pencil and scale, no freehand diagrams. In the exam, Sunday exam. Compulsory figure should be there, data, what they have given, labeling, and formula, and substitution, and answer, and units, and statement. Everything should be there. Everything carries 1 mark.
Okay, sir.
Next, 7th question. All of you please see children, 7th question. Tanmay wants to check 7th question. I'll be asking. Get ready. A joker cap is in the form of right circular cone of radius 7 meters. This is joker cap. Radius is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. And height is 24 centimeters. Height is 24 centimeters. So find the area of the sheet required to make 10 caps. Tanmay, if you want to make a cap, you will take CSA or TSA. Tanmay.
CSA.
CSA. So CSA of cone is how much, Amma?
IRL.
Keep saying.
22 by 7 into 7 into
Tell me science formula.
L square equals to
L
R
square
square.
is equal to R square plus H square. Keep saying. L square is equal
L square
to.
equals to 7 square plus 24 square.
Okay, keep saying. L square is equal
L
to.
square equals to 45 plus 576. L
Okay,
square equals to 625. L equals to 25.
25
L
centimeter.
to 25.
Here I'll put 25. 7 cancel. 25 twos are 50. 25 twos are 50. 55. 550. 550
Centimeters.
centimeter square is for one cap. For 10 caps.
Into 10.
5500 centimeter square area of sheet is needed to make 10 caps. To make 10 caps. Next one. Chalo, next one. Next one. Here, one boy. So who will tell Nana? Who will tell?
Ganesh sir.
Yeah, Vivek, you tell Nana, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
A bus stop has cone-shaped these things will be there, children. A bus has barricades. 50 cones are there. 50 cones are there. Okay. Each one has base diameter 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter is the base diameter, and the height is 1 meter. Height is 1 meter. Okay. If the cost of painting is 12 rupees per meter square. Okay, what is the cost of painting these cones? And he's saying root of 1.04 is equal to 1.02. Okay, so when you are painting, what you take? CSN or TSN?
TSA, sir.
Tell me
CSA,
CSA
sir.
formula.
Pi RL.
Sir, pi RL.
Pi R. Tell Nana.
Pi RL, sir. So 22 by 3.14 into 20 into L.
L is not given.
Yeah, sir. So L square is equal to H square plus R square. L square is equal to 20 square plus 20 square plus 100 square.
Yeah, what we will do? This 20 centimeters convert into meters.
20 by 100, sir. So 0.2.
Now
0.2
that-
meters.
So 1 square plus
1 square plus 0.2 whole square. Then 1 plus 0.04. L square is equal to 1.04.
Okay.
Root of 1.04. L is equal to 1.02.
Now this substitute here.
3.14 into 20 into 1.02, sir.
3.14 into 20 into 1.02.
1.02.
This is CSA of one cone.
Yes, sir.
50 cones means
Into 50.
into 50. And 1 meter square is 12 rupees.
Yes,
This
sir.
many meter
So
square is
into 12, sir.
into 12. So can anyone help me out, children? So you have to do 3.14 into 20 into 1.02 into 50 into 12. Cost total.
Sir, isn't it 0.2?
Which one? 0.1.02 this is.
No, sir, before 3.14 into 0.2.
No, this is 20.
That's radius.
So total answer is
Okay.
8,403.6.
Okay. It is. They are saying it is 0.2 meters. Yes, correct, Amma, correct. 0.2. Very good. Someone helped me. I don't know who is that. Very good. 0.2. 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02 into 50 into 12. Can anyone tell this?
7,536, sir.
7,536 rupees is cost of
It's cost of
making,
painting, sir. Painting.
cost of painting
Painting the bus stops.
50 hollow cones at the rate of 12 rupees per
12
meter.
rupees per meter square.
So children, 7,536 rupees. 7,536 rupees. Thank you. One more thing, children. Yeah, children. So see here, they have given one example here. That also we should do. The example number is example 6 and children. Example 6. It is also 4 example only. So children, a corn cob is there. All of you know corn cob, no children? Corn cob. Children, all of you know the corn cob. Please open your textbooks and see. All of you know corns. Say yes or no.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
The radius of the broad end
Yes,
is
sir.
2.1. The radius of the broad end is 2.1 centimeter, and the slant height, and the length, and the height is 20 centimeters. Just the height, children. Height is 20 centimeters, and he's saying 1 centimeter square of this corn cob will have how many grains? 4 grains. Okay, cons. How many grains would be there in entire CSA na TSA na children?
CSA.
CSA.
CSA, sir.
CSA. Can anyone tell CS? First, slant height is not there, children. Tell me slant height formula.
Sir,
Sir, can I
H square
say?
is equal to R square plus H square, sir.
Okay.
So L square is equal to
2.1
2.11 square plus 20
2.1
square. L square is equal to 4.41 plus 400, sir.
Okay.
R square is equal to 404.41. R is equal to root of 404.41.
Okay. Root of 40.41 is 20.11 centimeters given in textbook. 20.11. Now tell CSA.
CSA is equal to pi RL, sir.
Pi RL. Tell me.
RL 3.14 into 2.1 into 2
20 point
22 by 7 in 20.11 0.3.
6.6 into 20.11. So how much is the CSA, children? 132.73. Children, what did he say, children? 1 centimeter square area will have how many grains?
4 grains, sir.
This many 132.73 centimeter square area will have how many grains? Tell me cross multiplication rate.
132 1 into x is equal to 132 4 into 132.773 x is equal to 531 grams.
Grains.
Oh, yes, grains.
We ignore they are called grains. So 531 grains are there in the CSA of this corn cob. Mute your audio, Lana. 531 grains are there in the CSA of this corn cob. 531 grains are there in the CSA of this corn cob, children. Okay. Next one. Okay. Nandika, you tell.
Yes, sir.
Exam. The height of the cone is 16 centimeters. Height is 16 centimeters, and the base radius is 12 centimeters. Okay, find the CSA and TSA.
So CSA formula pi RL.
First, tell me slant height, Nana.
So L square is equal to R square plus H square. L square is equal to 12 square plus 16 square. L square is equal to 144 plus 256. L square is equal to 400. L is equal to 20 square. L is equal to 20.
Now tell CSA, Nana.
CSA is equal to pi RL. CSA is equal to 22 by 7 into 12 into 20.
Can anyone tell me what is the value, children? CSA value 753.6. 753.6.
753.6, sir.
Okay.
TSA is equal to pi R
Wait,
into
wait,
L
wait,
plus.
wait. Srihita, you tell TSA. Srihita.
Sir, formula pi r into L plus R.
Pi r into L plus R.
22 by 7 into 12 into 20 plus 12. 3.14 plus 2 into 12 into 32.
0.76 centimeter square is TSA of
1000.
Yes, children. Next one, last sum for the day, children. Fourth example in your textbook, children. It is in the page number 230. Okay. Who will tell this? Hansika. Hansika, you tell.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Find the CSA of the cone whose slant height is 10 centimeters and radius is 7 centimeters. Find CSA. CSA, children. Nana, Hansika. CSA.
Yes, pi RL.
Okay.
22 by 7 into 7 into 10. 220 CSA.
Of CSF. That's it, children. This is about the cones, children. We have completed everything about the cones, children, and tomorrow we'll go to next exercise. All of you, the homework you have to do each sum 3 times and submit homework, children. If not, I will give your names to your parents, children. Each sum you have to do 2 or 3 times and you have to submit as homework, children. Okay, children. This is
So 5 sums plus 1 exam. That's it, no, sir?
yes, no, yes.
Okay, sir.